Oil anymore, it's all oils. So once you've got the oil on there, that's good, it's like it's transparent. Now we're just trying to get that excess off, so you have it still shiny. We don't want it to be shiny, we want it to be matte like that.
So if you'd like to position it into the centre of your artwork, and you're going to put it on top of the design here, you put out quite a generous amount because you can always scrape it back in later. I'm going to grab my screen, I'm going to pop it on here. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab a squeegee. So I'm going to hold it at about a 45-degree angle, so not super straight, not too low, it pushes too much ink through, just at a perfectly 45. You're going to pull it towards you, then you're going to scrape up the ink, and we're going to go again. And then we're going to scrape it off on the edge, and then you're just going to do one final push through just with no ink. And then I usually hold one side and lift off from the other, just in case there is something wrong with it, and if it's still in the same position, you can pop it back down sometimes. So that's how we're going to do it today.